Hey there, I'm Sid, the founder of Skylama. We build Shopify apps, and today's video is extremely important if you're on Shopify Plus. As you know, Shopify set a deadline of August 13, 2024 to migrate your old Checkout.liquid to the new checkout extensions. This isn't just a technical update, it's a leap towards optimizing your online store for better performance and enhanced customer experience. In this video, we'll cover several key areas to ensure you're fully equipped for this transition. Here's what you can expect. Understanding the why. We'll start by discussing why Shopify is moving away from Checkout.liquid and the advantages of adopting checkout extensions. Then we'll talk about the migration process. We'll walk you through a 6-step process for migrating your checkout. This method has been proven effective with over 100 Shopify Plus merchants that we've worked with. And then we'll talk about the post-migration optimization. So, the first thing is why migrate? Before we dive into the migration steps, let's talk about the August 13, 2024 deadline. This isn't just a regular update, it's a major shift in Shopify's checkout approach. After this date, your existing Checkout.liquid customizations won't work anymore. But this change isn't just about compliance, it's an opportunity for growth and improvement. Here's why this transition from Liquid to extension matters. Number 1, security and stability. Migrating to checkout extension means a safer and more stable platform for your customers' transactions. And the second is flexibility. These new extensions offer so much more customization options, helping you align the checkout experience more closely with your brand. In short, this deadline is your cue to not only update your checkout, but also upgrade your checkout. Now, let's explore how to make this transition smoothly and effectively. Let's look at the 6 simple steps for migrating your checkout. The first step is reviewing your Checkout.liquid setup. Start in your Shopify admin, go to the online store, and then themes. Here, take a close look at your Checkout.liquid customizations. Make notes of any specific features or customizations you want to retain. This step is crucial for smooth transition, so take some extra time to get this right. Once you've taken a note of all your Checkout.liquid customizations, you might need to reach out to your Shopify Plus account manager or the Shopify help team to actually upgrade your checkout to extensions. Once you've been upgraded to extensions, the next step is to create a draft checkout in settings. Think what an optimized checkout looks like for your brand. Think about the different elements that you can add to increase trust, AOV, and conversions at checkout. It can be custom branding, a discount banner, a customer review, an upsell option, or maybe even a gifting option. Take your time and create an outline for the same. You can steal some of the ideas from the blog we've written on building an optimized checkout. The link is in description. Now, navigate to settings, then checkout, and then checkout customization. Here you'll create a new draft checkout. This is your playground to experiment and visualize how your new checkout will look. Remember, any changes here won't affect your live store. Then, the next step is to use the checkout editor. The checkout editor is your main tool for customization. It offers a drag and drop interface for all the elements you will add to your checkout and give you some branding control. You can easily change the appearance of your checkout by tweaking the colors and fonts used. But the options here are limited, so we suggest that you use an app like Checkout Wizard to control the entire branding of your checkout. All the apps that are using checkout extensions have access to branding API, therefore they have a lot more control in how you can customize your look and feel of the checkout. The next step then is integrating compatible apps. This is where checkout extension truly shines. With the help of third-party apps, Shopify now allows you to add functionality on your checkout like post-purchase pages, tracking pixel, additional field, upsells, thank you page surveys, and so much more. Our app, Checkout Wizard, gives you complete control of all possible checkout extensions without writing a single line of code. All of the functionality has already been built in. You can decide what you want to put on your checkout, configure it, and turn it on. If you want to download the Checkout Wizard app, the link is in description. You can reach out to us for an extended trial as well. Here's a brief glimpse on what Checkout Wizard enables using checkout extensions. We are talking upsells, we are talking shipping details, we are talking product FAQs, customer reviews. All right, back to the migration. The next step is to set up Shopify Web Pixel for analytics. By using Shopify Web Pixel for Google Analytics, you can get detailed analytics for each stage of your checkout process. These detailed analytics reveal specific stages where customers abandon their checkout. It can be the information page, shipping page, or the payment page. And this information allows for targeted improvements to enhance the checkout experience based on the real user data. This approach not only identifies the issues, but also validates the effectiveness of the changes that you've made. If you need any help with setting up the analytics, feel free to reach out to us. We'll do it for free. Book a call with the link in the description. And on to the final step of the migration. Test your checkout and go live with it. Before going live, thoroughly test your new checkout. Ensure that all the customizations were working as intended. The checkout process is smooth and intuitive for your customers. Pay special attention to mobile responsiveness as a significant portion of your online shopping happens on mobile devices. Once you're satisfied with the new checkout, it's time to make it live by clicking on the publish button on the upper right corner. And that's it. Your migration is now complete and your new Shopify checkout is ready to roll. If all of this feels overwhelming for you, we are helping merchants just like you to migrate from Checkout.liquid to Checkout extensions. You can feel free to book a call with us with the link in the description. Not only will we help you migrate, but we'll also make sure that you make the most of all the Checkout extensions that Shopify has to offer. Over the last year, we've worked with so many brands that we've learned a thing or two about the different kinds of extensions that could be useful to either increase your AOV, increase your conversions, improve your retention, and so much more. Stay tuned for an upcoming video where we will talk about all the different optimizations that are possible using checkout extensions. So we'll go deeper into upselling and content and data-driven decisions and streamlining the user experience and much more.